Hi everybody, I'm Heidi from Hands Occupied and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to knit the triangle rib stitch, which is reversible and beginner friendly. Right here in front of me in this large swatch is the triangle rib stitch. This is knit in Kelbourne Woolens Germantown, which is a wool yarn. And it has also been wet blocked. You can see that this is a fully reversible stitch, and it also is only worked with knits and purls, so it is beginner friendly as well. Now, before I pressed record, I cast on my required multiple of 5 stitches right here. So right now there are 15 stitches on my needle, okay? And then in addition to that, I have worked the first 3 rows of the stitch pattern, which are knit all the way across. If this is difficult for where you are in your knitting right now, I would like to direct you to my Knitting for Beginners series. I'll link it here, and let's get started on the triangle rib stitch. So right here there are 15 stitches, a multiple of 5, and the first 3 rows of this stitch have been knit all the way across. So now we are on row 4, which is a wrong side row. And all the way across, our stitch repeat is going to be knit 1 and purl 4. So there's knit 1. Remember, we're on the wrong side of our work. Purl 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, knit 1, purl 4. Knit 1, purl 4. And now we've reached the end of our row, and we'll turn our work to the right side for row 5. Row 5 is knit 3, purl 2. And now for row 6, we turn to the wrong side and once again work knit 3, purl 2. But since we're on the wrong side of our work, the knits and purls are reversed on the right side, creating our pattern. Again, that is knit 3, purl 2 on the right side row for row 5. Now on row 7, we are on the right side again of our work, and we are going to repeat row 4, which, if you'll remember, is knit 1, purl 4. All right, and that, my friends, is 1 repeat of our stitch. From there, you'll repeat rows 2 through 7 for a 6-row repeat. So a 6-row repeat means that it takes 6 total rows to form the repeat of the pattern. And what I mean by a repeat of the pattern is, see how these lovely triangles appear on either side of the work? Every one of these horizontal ridges that you can see here is a 6-row repeat. But the first row of this was just a setup row to get us going. So let's take a quick look at that one more time. Hey everyone, this is Heidi from Hands Occupied, and thanks for watching my channel. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe for even more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.